What's up, guys? Today we are looking at my silk pillowcase by J JIMOO. So silk pillowcases are something I've been really interested in. I've seen them kind of all over the beauty community. So I did a little bit of research to see kind of what all the rage is about them. Silk itself contains 18 amino acids, which actually help hydrate your skin. So this is beneficial. Obviously, your face is on the pillow, both for your skin and your hair. You're going to be more hydrated. You're going to notice less fine lines in your skin because your skin's going to be extra kind of plumped, hydrated, glowy, which is, I think, what we all want our skin to be like. And then on top, because your hair, of course, is on that pillowcase, it's going to help prevent any kind of frizzing or knotting. Specifically on the listing, it says it can reduce friction by 43% on average. So if you're somebody whose hair frizzes up as you sleep, if you're like a super active sleeper, this could come in awesome. I know for me, my hair doesn't frizz up too bad at night, but I have noticed a difference in it being hydrated. And if I like pre-style my hair the night before, I wake up, my hair's just like still like smooth and stylish and ready to go for the next day, which is great. Comes in a few different sizes. I just have their kind of standard regular size. Where is the zipper on here? Yes, there it is. Hidden zipper. That's kind of the whole point. You don't want to be able to see it or find it, which is great. And I just did it in their silver tone. They have a ton of other colors. Check out the listing and you can take a peek. I have been loving it. Definitely would recommend it. Check it out.